we're gonna start with a big old circle for his head, because that's what he's got. A little more oval, I suppose, than a circle, but let's get to it like that. I like that. That looks nice. Let's give him an ear over here, and another ear over here. Slightly going this way. We'll give him a big old nose right about there. Big old smile. There we go. This is looking fun. His teeth are kind of funny. They go like this. That's all right. Lincoln Loud's a funny one. Let's not forget his tongue. There we go. Now we can draw his eyes. In fact, let's draw his eyes right here. So we'll draw one eye right about there like this. Give him a bit of a pupil here like that. And then what we're gonna do is draw his other eye really close like this and around like that. Very nice. And another pupil right about there. I like it. Let's not forget his eyebrows right here. And another one right here. And then what we're gonna do is draw his hair. His hair comes just down over his eyes like this. Right through his eyes, in fact. And around here like this. And then what we're gonna do is bring his hair down here like this. Join it up to the head there like that. I like that. Give him a bit of tuff on the top here. Just like this. That's looking fun. I like that. And then what we can do is bring it on down a bit here like this. And his hair will continue right here and there. Give him a bit of a alpha there. And then some lines here. Sweet. This is looking nice. He's got freckles too. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And another little line here by the eye. Oh, I like it. That's a nice looking face for Lincoln Loud. Now we can draw his body. So his body's gonna come around here like this with his arm starting us off. Big old swirly C like that. And here will be the bit of his shirt, sleeve of his shirt there, and then his other side of his arm will come around like that. And then he'll have a big old fist like this. 1, 2, 3 bumps for his knuckles. And then we can do the same here. Very nice, everybody. I like it. Let's bring his shirt down like that a bit. And then we can do the same over here, starting with his arm there like this. Let's have him waving at us. I like that. There's his sleeve again, right up like that. Let's bring his arm around like this, and we'll give him a thumb right here like that. One finger there like that. Another one there, and his pinky like that. And then we'll swirl his arm down around like that. Very nice, everybody. This is looking nice. Let's draw his chest here like this, down to his pant leg. His shirt's got a bit of a cuff in it like that. I like it. And let's not forget his collar here. And over here. A little funny bit here on his shirt with a button. This is nice. I like this. Don't you like this? I like this. All right. Now Lincoln's got a bit of a tummy here, just like that. And then his leg will come down like this. Like that. And the same over here. 1 leg and 2. Very nice. Finish them off like that. And now we can draw his shoes in. His shoes start around here. They're pretty flat looking shoes. Just like that. They go like that, right around the pant leg. Same over here like this. And around. Let's give him a sole. Kind of come coming up from the back of the shoe like that. Give him some shoelaces right here like this, and some stripes. We'll give him 3 stripes. There's 1, 2, 3. Same over here. 1, 2, and 3. All right, we're looking good here. Give him some texture in his ears. And we're good to go. It's Lincoln Loud from the Loud House. Let's get to the color. Lincoln has light skin, blue jeans, an orange shirt, red tongue and shoe stripes, black eyes. Thanks, everyone.